This
Well,
is
just take your shirt off first.
the condom challenge part 2. We actually got it to fill this time.
We used a not cheap
Different
condom.
brand of condoms. Who's gonna drop it? Caitlin, you gonna drop it?
Allie, we can do a team effort.
Okay. Yeah.
Because I don't know if I can pick this up. Okay.
Yeah, one of you hold the bottom and one of you hold the top.
I'm kind of scared.
No, you're fine.
Okay, you're fine.
If I do like this,
Wait, what motion?
like this, like the choking motion.
Okay.
Okay, Caitlin, you got the bottom. I'm scared. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this.
Just
Aspens.
don't wimp it.
I don't want to do. No, you can't.
It's okay. It's probably not even gonna work.
Alex, millions of people have done it.
I don't want to. I don't want to.
What is your fear?
You're
I
gonna
want
be
Brittany
fine.
to do it.
Because I straightened my hair today.
Can we hurry up? This is I straightened my hair too. Aspen's right here. Should we just do it? No. Kelvin likes water. Do it to Kelvin.
It's gonna get me soaking wet.
This is peer pressure. Peer.
I'm scared.
Squat.
Alex, be scared later. I'm serious.
Don't drop it on me right away.
Okay. Give us the countdown.
3, 2, 1.
That's not our concern right now, Alex. Honestly.
Right now, we are on our way to the Timberwolves game. We have a chance tonight to win $1,000 to the bookstore on campus. So, we don't know what we're gonna have to do to win it, but we're gonna win it. We'll vlog the competition, but it's $1,000, so we gotta get competitive. We had dinner. Alex just got an email, and apparently we're just meeting them up at section 101, and they're just revealing winners, so there's no contest, so I don't know.
If they go on attractiveness, obviously I will win. But
If we go on attractiveness, we're screwed, because Alex was in the picture. Dang it. Bucket of wings.
hell yeah.
We're at the game, about to do the thingy.
Don't know what we're doing.
I've got that name in my envelope right here, so without further ado, let's get the drum roll.
Alex is sad. I'm so red. It's cold out. It's very cold. I can't feel anything. Okay, we're taking a quick break at the house. That's Alex. That's Caitlin.
Bebo!
How's everyone feeling? I put a hat on.
Taking a breather. We are taking a breather. A slight breather.
That's Alex chilling over there. Chilling like a villain. You want to say anything to the vlog?
Yeah,
Hey vlog, what's up? What's happening?